Welcome customers from Guinea to visit us. We are very honored to receive distinguished guests from afar. After the customers arrived, we first arranged a visit to the company's LED screen showroom. In the exhibition hall, we introduced the characteristics, application scenarios and technical advantages of each product to customers in detail, and answered customers' questions about the products. After visiting the exhibition hall, we led customers to the LED screen aging workshop. Here, customers witnessed our strict quality control process with their own eyes. We showed customers the 72-hour aging test process of the LED screen before leaving the factory, and introduced how we use these tests to ensure the stability and durability of each LED screen in extreme environments such as high temperature and high humidity. Through this visit, customers not only have a deeper understanding of our products and technical strengths, but also highly praised our professional services and strict quality management system. We believe that this exchange will lay a solid foundation for future cooperation between the two sides.